Welcome to digitalconstructive.com, and in this video we're going to be talking about how to get the Arizona landscaping license. Now, in the state of Arizona, there are three separate contractor licenses for landscaping. Officially, the license is known as the Landscaping, Hardscaping, and Irrigation Systems Contractor License. Now, there's a separate license for residential known as the R21. There's the commercial license known as the C21, and then there's a dual license for residential and commercial known as the CR21. Now, for the residential and commercial landscaping license, this area of expertise includes non-load-bearing concrete and low-voltage lighting, uncovered patios, walkways, driveways made of brick, stone, pavers, or gravel, wooden decks no higher than 29 inches above finished grade, decorative garden walls up to 6 feet from the finished grade, fences and screens up to 6 feet from finished grade, retaining walls up to 3 feet from the finished grade of the lower elevation, and freestanding fire pits, fireplaces, or barbecues, electric, plumbing, and gas must be subcontracted to a properly licensed contractor. Now, in addition to that, water features that are not attached to swimming pools and irrigation systems, including any necessary electric wiring of 120 volts or less, connection to potable water lines, backflow prevention devices, hose bibs, excavating, trenching, boring, backfilling, or grading, and residential outdoor misting systems freestanding or attached to existing appurtenance not more than 1000 psi. Including that is freestanding and uncovered outdoor kitchens, electric, plumbing, and gas, of course, must be subcontracted to a properly licensed contractor. So essentially, the residential and commercial landscaping license allows you to do a wide range of things. For a little bit more information on all the different areas of expertise, you can check out the description of this video or check out our complete blog post. So essentially, the landscaping contractor license has basic requirements. You have to be at least 18 years of age. You've got to have a valid driver's license or USA ID. You'll need a social security number, and you've got to be established as a legal business entity. Now, in the state of Arizona, contractor licenses can only be issued to legal business entities. You'll have the option of applying as either a sole proprietorship, which is an individual, a partnership, an LLC, known as a limited liability company, or a corporation. Now, each one of these entities has to have what's called a qualifying party. And this is the person with the necessary experience, knowledge, and skills to take the exam. And you may be asked to prove your experience to the Arizona Registrar of Contractors. So that's something that you'd need to be prepared for just in case. Now, how long does it take to get a contractor license in Arizona? The time frame fluctuates, but the basic roadmap that you're going to follow is going to be, first, you'll determine your classification, you'll apply for an examination date, you'll complete a background check, you'll form your legal business entity, and then you'll submit your contractor license application along with your passing score to the Arizona Registrar of Contractors. Now, again, there's no set time and how long it takes to get licensed in Arizona, but this is going to be the basic guide roadmap that you'll follow. Now, you must pass an Arizona Business Management exam. Now, this is an Arizona construction law test. It's 180 minutes, it's 80 questions, you'll need a 70% passing score, and you'll get 3 attempts to pass the exam. Now, on the business manager exam, there's going to be several different topics. You'll need to answer questions about workmanship standards, business mathematics, Arizona Registrar of Contractor rules, AROC statutes, financial management, tax laws, liens, environmental regulations, business management, insurance and bonding, contracts, and of course, safety. And for additional information on online practice tests and study guides, you can check out the links below this video. Now, the landscaping test is going to cover irrigation systems, trees and shrubs, grass and ground cover, grading and drainage, soils amendments and chemicals, desert plants, hardscaping, low voltage electricity, rules and regulations, and of course, general knowledge. And again, links to resources to help you pass the test can be found below this video. Now, the costs for an Arizona contractor license include an application fee, a license fee. You'll pay into what's called the Recovery Fund Assessment. You'll cover the cost of a background check, You'll pay for a contractor bond, and then you'll need to provide workers' compensation if you have employees. And then, of course, you'll cover the cost of testing fees. Now, at the end of this video, you'll see a video up here telling you how much the contractor license costs in Arizona are right now. I suggest you watch that video. Just want to thank you for watching. For additional information on getting licensed, bonded, trade skill classes online, and more, you can check out our website. Otherwise, like and subscribe to our channel, and any questions that you have, please feel free to drop them in the comments. But again, this is digitalconstructive.com, and thanks again for watching.